All right.
We got it all built.
We have it built, ready to go, right?
Yeah. Hot.
Okay, the motor's going. Put a lift. All right, let's see what happens. Put one in. Whoa! Look at this, Jack. Come on, Jack. Whoa!
Man.
Oh, Freddy Fazbear wants to play. Ah. It's gonna jump scare.
SavyandJackTV. Thank you for watching SavyandJackTV.
What are we gonna do today, guys?
The Thomas Trio. The other
We're doing Thomas and Friends minis.
tracks.
Mini tracks, cool. Motorized Raceway Circuit Motorise.
I have 20.
How do you like that, Jack? You like Thomas?
Uh-huh.
That one, that's your favorite, right? Thomas and Friends your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Are you excited?
He's up there. If you dock there, it trains you up.
You excited, Savvy? We're gonna help Jack put it together?
Yeah.
All right, let's open the box and we'll start putting this together and
It's
we'll see how this thing works.
hard.
All right, let's open this bad boy up, guys.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna love it so much. Show Jackson.
I think Jackson's gonna be more excited, right?
Yeah. If you guys like trains too, please subscribe and thumbs up.
And let us know what's your favorite Thomas.
The train character, mine's Percy. And mine is Thomas.
Yours is Thomas, Jack?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Because Thomas is
And
love.
Savvy likes Percy.
Yeah, because he's green and I kind of like green.
I like Diesel. I think Diesel's pretty cool.
Why? Because he's just a core who laughs so much. Diesel is not really. He's just like a little. Oh! Whoa!
Oh boy.
Look at this! Ooh, this is good. Now we need to get the trains out.
There you go, Savvy. You can work on that one.
Alright. This! Oh man, these trains are man, hard. They're in hard. They're in pretty good.
Here comes some directions.
Alright. Yeah, direction. Here's what we need. Here's what we needed. Alright.
You found the crane? Frankie the crane? Oh, cool. All right,
We got it all built.
have it built, ready to go, right?
Yeah. Hot.
You like it, Jack?
Yeah. There's a thing to turn it on. Yeah, there is.
Yeah, switch. Daddy just put the batteries in. You got the 2 trains ready that came with the package?
Yeah. And turn the switch on, don't work.
All right, let's turn the switch on, see what happens.
Yeah, we need to do it.
Okay, the motor's going. Put a lift. All right, let's see what happens. Put one in. Whoa, look at this, Jack. Come on, Jack. Whoa. Oh man, that's cool. All right, you like it, Jack? And look, you can make it go down. You got a switch up here, buddy. Look. Where's the other one? So the red one's Savy's and Jack has a blue one, right? Thomas? Here comes Thomas. Here he comes. Whoa. Wow, this is cool. Uh-oh, got traffic jam. Uh-oh, Jack, you got a traffic jam.
No! Are you gonna make another traffic jam? No!
Here we go. Uh-oh. There he goes. Right down. Whoa, that's cool. You like it, Jack? Give it a thumbs up. Awesome.
Here comes Jackson right behind me.
There's Cranky the Crane. There's Cranky. One of Jack's favorite characters.
I think I have a traffic jam.
Uh-oh, traffic jam. We gotta try to fix the switch here. There it goes.
Alright, let's
whoa.
change it on a different. Here's what we need, another traffic jam. It just goes too fast for me.
It goes right off the left. See that? Whoa. Oh, guys, look. We got a lot more. Hurry up.
Oh, yay! Look for mine.
It's got Jack's collection there. Look at all the ones we have.
You have some superhero ones.
Oh, I forgot about those. Got the superhero, got Halloween one. See, Jack? Let's put some more in. All right, load them up. Uh-oh.
Even the pans are there.
Oh, right, cool. Hurry up, put them all on. Let's get a... Well, how about we turn the switch off first, and we'll load them up. All right, and we can load up a couple of the trains.
All right, now let's start it, and then we'll... Oh my gosh, now it's a traffic jam for sure. That's a traffic jam for sure, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's just keep loading them. Oh my god, Joey. I think it's too much.
Put more. Hurry up, you gotta fix it, but guys, gotta get, if it gets stuck, you gotta try to push it back on. There you go. There we go, try to push this. It's gonna get backed up. There you go. Oh wow, here they come. Uh-oh. Yeah, we gotta fix the switch. You don't have the switch, you gotta line the switch up. Alright, here we go. Gotta fix it. I'm gonna put them down a couple of tracks. There we go. And then let's go this way.
I know. Press for the elevator.
Alright.
Oh no, there's so many crashes for the elevator. That's the problem.
So we gotta keep on top of this.
I know, it's so hard.
So everything gets backed up. The minis will get backed up. Wow. Let's turn it off. Let's try to set it up. Pause the video. Okay, here we go.
Already they're getting stuck. Oh my god.
Just gotta. You're in charge of the traffic jam, okay? Whoa. Uh-oh. Alright, go nice and easy.
You guys get on.
Oh, we got some stuck on the top there.
Now everyone's getting stuck.
There we go. Oh, whoa.
They're crashing because he's hitting them the wrong way.
Uh-oh. Let's try to move one to the middle. Here we go, buddy.
Alright, you gotta like try to line them up.
I think Jack likes the yellow track the best. Here we go. Let's go down to yellow.
Here comes the
Whoa.
panda. Panda coming through.
Whoa, those go pretty fast, right? The minis fly down the yellow track. Whoa, whoa, buddy, be careful. You have a chair. Uh-oh, another traffic jam.
Get you guys started up.
There we go. Here they come. Whoa. There's Cranky the Crane.
You can lift them up too.
Whoa.
So you could.
Wow, this is a pretty cool game. Let's set it up to go down the blue track. You ready, Jack? Here we go. It's gonna go down the blue track now.
Oh my God, here's the track.
It's gonna go down the loop.
Alright, who wants to go
Savy's
first?
gotta fix the track.
That's me. I'm going first.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Whoa,
Wait, that's me.
Whoa! Man, that was cool.
Let's try the yellow track now. Whoa!
Yeah, the yellow's pretty fast.
Blue track.
All right.
Go back to the yellow.
Oh, the blue track. The blue track's my favorite.
Yellow.
Yellow's your favorite, Savvy?
Yeah. This is the fastest one, and it makes all the traffic jams
Uh-oh.
for me. Oh my God!
That's all right, buddy. I'll help you.
Thank you.
I think some of these,
Your job to do traffic
they
too.
get stuck in the blue here.
Yeah. Let's try this one.
I think the Halloween one gets stuck. Let's leave the Halloween one out.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the only one that, he's causing all the trouble, guys.
Ready?
He's Mr. Trouble Pants over here.
Well, that's the trouble pants. He's the one that gets stuck. Uh-oh. All right, here it comes.
There's some other Trouble Pants too. Hey, why do you have this new one out too? Put the new guys in.
Whoa.
New one's out. So is the Thomas set, the new. All the new ones are out.
All right, I'm going to set it up and go down the blue track now. Whoa, that was quick. Whoa, blue one's pretty cool.
I like the
Goes
blue
like through like a tunnel right here.
I
Goes right through a tunnel. You see that, Jack?
Yes, I do. It's kind of cool one.
Oh, wow.
This one's my favorite, like the last one.
We could probably take this and build like the wooden set around it.
Yeah.
Have it all going at the same time.
Try
We got to do another video doing that, guys.
It's the Leno track. Leno track is cool. Let's get my favorite guy in.
I think Jack likes the yellow track best. All right, Jack. You like the yellow one the best?
I like this one the best.
Give it a thumbs up, buddy.
I like this one the best.
Jack. Thumbs up.
I like this one the best. I know.
Oh, you like the loop the best? Okay, let me set it up for you. Oh, uh-oh, here we go.
Traffic jam. Of course.
Oh, Daddy messed it up. Sorry, guys.
That's okay. Another traffic jam.
You got to start it from the bottom, buddy.
Fine.
There you go.
Get me in.
Oh, Freddy Fazbear wants to play. Ah. He's going to jump scare the minis. Oh, no. Freddy Fazbear jump scare the minis. Oh, no. Oh, there's Nightmare Foxy. Is that Nightmare Foxy?
Yeah.
Or Jump Scare Foxy?
If you guys didn't watch our sister location video, please watch it before you watch this one.
Oh, yeah, we got Sister Location and the Five Nights at Freddy Mystery Minis, right?
I want to go up.
Check it out in the playlist.
No! In a minute, I think he's gonna get stuck. Ah!
Uh-oh.
No, cranky! Ah!
Alright, let's pause the video. We'll set up one last...
Alright. Savvy's job is the traffic. Alright, you go.
Well, some of them go pretty good through the loop. I guess the heavier ones don't make it through the loop. Oh, that one. Yeah, those made it. Cool. That's cool.
Stop the traffic jam. You go.
Alright.
You go.
Oh, this one got stuck. Yeah, this one's the culprit right here. Okay. Alright, we're going to try to switch the track up here.
He's doing bad too. He keeps falling.
There we go.
Guys, he's doing bad too. Because he's like falling and stuff.
Alright, got to set up on the yellow track. Alright guys, so what do you think of this toy? Give it a thumbs up?
Pretty good.
You like it?
I just don't like when there's so many traffic jams. They start breaking.
So Jack, you give this toy a thumbs up? Look at the camera. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's another toy review from SavyandJackTV. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe. Give us a like. We got more videos coming soon. And we also got a special Halloween one coming up for candy.
Yeah, we have eyeballs.
Oh, spooky eyes. cables. Oh boy. Take care. Bye. Wave, Jack. Say bye, Jack.
Subscribe, click on another video to watch more Savvy and Jack TV.